This holiday glam wouldn't be given holiday without some sparkle. And I don't mean shimmer. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's popping? I have missed you all so much. Season's greetings. We are actually coming down to the ending of the year. Oh my goodness. It happened so quickly. But we're not gonna go into that. My face is already done and we're gonna do another affordable makeup look using the Peach Fizz from LA Colors, and we're gonna make it sort of a holiday glam. That the vibes we're going for. We're gonna use this $20 palette that I got from Wonderful World. Y'all know I would have talked about this in my mini haul video, and y'all wanted to see a look with this palette. And I couldn't leave one hanging. Y'all asked for it. I'm here to provide. This video is like long overdue. Oh my goodness. Please forgive me. Starting by priming my eyelids. I'm using my Revlon Colorstay. I think this holiday glam look that I'm doing, it's definitely not on the smoky, dramatic side. So we're catering for my girlies that like it softer but still very pretty. Y'all know we keep it pretty all the time. I was really contemplating doing the most and I decided no. Okay, so to start with, I want to put something in my crease. I'm deciding on if I want to put in this shade right here. Let me see how it looks. I'm taking this Selfish Cosmetics brush. It's a blending brush and I'm just gonna start by putting it into my crease. This thing, it didn't stick to show up, you know. Oh my goodness. And as I come in my inner corner, I'm not coming down, I'm going up. Kind of like to go into my nose contour. I'm going up almost as if I'm into my brow. This is so that the inner corners of the eye looks bigger and brighter. How has your Christmas been shaping, coming along? Is it busy? Is it hectic? Is it none of those things? Is it cool? Is it a rock back? By the way, let me know if you guys want me to do a sip and slay. We haven't done that since last year. So let me know in the comments if you want a sip and slay happening before the year is over, and let me know what day is good for you if you decide. Last December, I think it was like every Monday I was doing a sip and slay. I'm just going back with my sponge on the innermost part where it doesn't have any eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take this shimmer shade in the corner here. This is what it looks like. And I want to put that all over my lid. I'm taking this brush from Real Techniques. It's their shading brush. All over my lid. And I'm going to come up with it, you know. Y'all, this palette is so pigmented for $20. OMG. I think this kind of look is perfect for persons with hooded eyes. That way you still get the eyeshadow to show up really well. You know, we don't really recommend cut crease because you're not gonna see it as it should be, you know. And this is what I personally recommend. I'm just going back with the last eyeshadow to make sure I really keep it where I want it to be. Time for me to do the next eye. As per usual, Christmas is a really busy time at home. There's been painting, shopping for curtains, you know, cleaning windows, cleaning doors. mopping, cobwebbing, you know, the whole shebang. I feel like as fast as you get rid of the spiders and the cobwebs, they come right back. OMG. I'm really gonna concentrate on keeping it past my inner corner. Like that. Yes. And guys, this look, I'm doing a wing. I'm doing a winger. So I'm reaching for my Inglot Gel Liner in the shade number 77. Y'all know eyeliners require precision level of concentration. And so far the wing is coming along really nicely. It's how I realized the Peach Fizz palette matches perfectly with my tie-dye t-shirt. Cute. And just like that, my wings are complete. And I'm gonna take a black pencil and line my waterline. So far, I have done painting. I ain't started cleaning the windows yet. Hopefully by the time y'all see this video, I have begun. Now the reason why is because I've had a lot of stuff doing where it comes to makeup jobs as well as singing events and stuff like that. So that is why I haven't really been able to get around to the cleaning of the windows yet, but I will start. Now I'm gonna take an orange shade and I want to put it on my lash line, my lower lash line. But first I will prime with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk because I want it to show up really bright. By the way, Olencia finally get around to watching the people Black Panther and I enjoyed it. The only thing is that I can't figure out which shade of orange I want to go in with. If to use this one or this one or this one. It's like I'm still having doubts that I'm gonna get this to show up as bright as I want it. Let me try it and see. I'm not gonna know unless I try. So I'm gonna take this one here and I find it too light. Okay. I'm doing another one. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And I'm just gonna press it on. It's definitely brighter than that first shade I put on. There's more. I feel like for this look, this holiday glam wouldn't be given holiday without some sparkle. And I don't mean shimmer. Shimmer is already on my lid. I don't mean shimmer. I want sparkle. And for sparkle, I want glitter. Glitter. Not sure if you all can recall this chrome liquid eyeliner I got from LA Colors as well in Wonderful World. That was also in my haul. If you have not seen it, you all can go and check it out after this video. So I'm gonna use this as my adhesive, and I have this orange chunky glitter. It's from Tobaglo, and this one is called Fort King George. Now this orange is sort of like a burnt orange, and this is like the only orange glitter I have. That is so embarrassing. But hopefully with the gold in this mixing with this, it causes some kind of prismatic type of reflective thing to happen, and we get what we're supposed to get. I am now opening this for the first time since I bought it. So what we're gonna do is definitely take it in parts. Just gonna smear it around a little bit with my silicone wand, and then we're gonna pick up some glitter. We're gonna have to use something else. I have this Ruby Kisses Eye Bling Glitter Eyeliner. This was also in my haul, and this is a bronze shade. It's called Bronze Metal, and this will definitely do a much better job. I am making such a mess. Wow. Going back into the Peach Fizz, I'm going to add some of the shimmery, orangey, yellowy color to the innermost part of my eye at the bottom. I probably should have added this before, but I didn't study it till now. Now I'm dusting away all the extra powder. Taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, I'm going to set my sponge to really set my face. We gotta last all day, baby, because I have some things to do today. Highlighting using my Ace Beauty. I'm gonna take Glowing and Gleaming. That. For my lips, I'm taking the Tobaglo lip pencil in the shade Sacha. This is literally my favorite lip pencil. Then I'm gonna take my Sacha Intense Matte Lip Velvet in Trophy Wife. I really like this shade. Like this, just so. Then I'm gonna take my clear lip gloss from Ashley Lee. This is the Vitamin E lip treatment. I'm gonna just put that on there. And if I want, I can always like make it a little ashy. And some concealer. Just like that. I love it. Time for me to put on some lashes. And just like that, gosh, you just want to do the hair flicking and your nails just get caught up. And just like that, the look is complete. Let me know what you guys think. I thought this looks gorgeous. It's still simple. Literally 2 eyeshadow shades on the top here and like 2 on the bottom with some glitter. And look at how we looking. Gorgeous. People never know you didn't use that much eyeshadow just to get this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for still kicking it with me, even though I've been MIA for too long. I am definitely gonna do better. I have so much things in store that I might find interesting, and I hope you guys find interesting as well. So please stay tuned for that. Let me know what looks you'd like to see. Still, I'm always open for your opinion on what you'd like for me to show you all, teach you all, or whatever the case may be. Was this holiday glam efficient? Will this work for you? Do you see yourself doing a look like this? Let me know in the comments. And do you think this Peach Fizz from LA Colors is worth the buy? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys, love you.